everyone, welcome back to the PDFelement YouTube channel. My name is Christina, and in this video, we're going to embark on a festive journey of design and customization. I'm going to show you how you can use PDFelement to create your own personalized Christmas menu that will elevate your holiday gatherings to a whole new level. Whether you're hosting a cozy family dinner or a grand festive feast, 'tis the season to add a dash of creativity to your Christmas celebrations. So let's jump right in and I will show you just how easy it is. First, let's download a free Christmas menu template. In the Start page, click on Template to enter the template mall. Enter Menu in the search bar, or you can click on the Christmas category. Select a template you like and click Edit Now. Now let's customize your personalized Christmas menu. Let's start by replacing the background. Click on the Edit tab and click on your background and press Delete. Then we can add a background of our own by choosing Add Background. And of course, customize the color and transparency. We can also use the tools in PDFelement to replace the font. Once you have the design you want, let's now customize the information. You can use AI to help you create a menu full of delicious dishes. Now let's decorate. You can download stickers from the template mall or directly add images. Our Christmas menu is complete. You can also add a little fun to your menu by customizing a Christmas options menu like this one. Let's find a template in the template mall that we can customize. We can choose this one and change it to Christmas. And of course, change the options to things that are a little more Christmassy. We can also turn this menu into an interactive menu with some checkboxes. Click on Checkbox under the Form tab. Adjust the size of your checkbox. Right-click to enter Properties. And here you can adjust the appearance. To create a menu that's usable both online and offline, go to the General options and choose Visible but doesn't print. Marking this checkbox will make sure that it is displayed but not when printing. And finally, for batch copying and making multiple checkboxes, right-click on the Edit It checkbox and select Create Multiple Copies of Fields. And you've just made a beautiful interactive menu. Now we have made some Christmas menus, it's time to share them. We can use PDFelement's Push button to do this. Click on the Form tab and select Push button. Right-click on the Push button and enter the Properties menu. In the General section, modify the name and tooltip. And in the Actions section, we're going to choose Submit a Form. From the Select Action drop-down, let's click Add. In the Submit Method section, choose Email Address. And here you can input an email. The Christmas menu option can also be shared with friends and family using the same steps. We can also print a physical copy of our Christmas menu. Click on the print button in the top left corner of the page. And let's make sure we have the correct printing settings. If there's a suitable printing paper that matches the template size, we can click on the page size of the source file. Once you're ready to print, you know what to do. Now we have some beautifully crafted, customized Christmas menus that can be used both online and offline for your festive feasts. If you find inspiration in today's video, don't forget to hit that like button, share it with your fellow holiday hosts, and subscribe for more creative content. Thank you for watching, and from all of us here at PDFelement, happy holidays!